wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? Man, we are back in here with another one, and you see from the title who we here with today. Yeah, we are back with none other than Mr. Sinful himself. You feel me? Yeah, Mr. Sinful himself. The last video we reacted to from this nigga, bro. The man apparently killed himself and sold himself to the Grim Reaper, signed a contract. You know what I'm saying? That was some crazy stuff. You know what I'm saying? The man was just in Fendi in front of the hearse, all type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Fresh to that type of stuff. I thought the man was just being creative, man, in the video. But then I saw the man sign a contract with the damn devil, bro. And I'm like, what the hell you doing, Rajah? You know what I'm saying? You wilding, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know your videos always dark and shit, but damn, that's one kind of took me out, gang. You know what I'm saying? But you don't know. Kind of traumatized me last video, but you don't know. We are back with another one. He seemed to be more consistent. You know what I'm saying? He's dropping more frequent. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you feel like y'all time for show up music, but we'll see what I got to do with. You know what I'm saying? He back with another one. The one RajahWild. The one named Tell Me. I'm gonna check it out, see what he doing. Mr. Sinful I deal with today, you know what I'm saying? If you know Rajah, you have one bagadopi and all type of things in a music video, you know, but you see me? I am that. You see me? We just go take it as film creative style and try not to read too much, because I hope it actually involved in them thing there for real, you know, dog. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, go check it out and see what he doing. RajahWild, tell me. RajahWild, tell me, let's get it. So what I tell me,
see now you have to know that.
He said I'm chopping for my work here.
He said I'm chopping. You don't know what I want this thing on, Joe. One time, one man them make chopping, you know, me can't. We say that's still no dog. If you raise the P and make it pay, but you know what I'm saying? But you know, go on.
I cannot see you to your grave.
Never say. I'm inside. Listen me no man, I'm no reason with my good and true. I tell me no fi scam, then tell me where we a go do. Tell me the plan, tell me who I go feed me. You come on and see no man and no chicken head in a.
Okay, I see what he's saying. Andrew said no scam, but what we a go do, dog? You see me? Kids and thing, family need feed, one need feed. You know what I'm saying? What I go do? You know what I'm scared. I see. Okay, that's what I mean by tell me. Oh, chicken that cook, man.
I see now you for know that. I tell myself don't chop. It's still a non good no job.
That's a fact. He has a point. You feel me? He has a point. You know, tell the man them no chop, but you not give man them no job and no work and nothing to do that. You see me? You can't go tell the man them that. And then you do give man them bill, you can't survive pan. You see me?
Listen me no bro guy. Nobody do it so bad. You're too young, but we getting older.
After them, Rajah. Alright, gang, you caught me by surprise. No, dopey and no, obi and no. You know, no goes in that one there. I talk some yes, hey, Rajah, come in, surprise, yes. Yeah, man. Let's surprise.
Tell me why. 9 to 5, I pay them just enough for I survive. From a bird, so my granny I fight the fight. She still a fight this day for my surprise. That's why I'm try.
Man, for real, man. Why 95 does appear that them just enough to survive? Not even for live, just enough to survive so you can work and work. I really thought
live right for life. Keep your hand to mouth, cause I for I. Still I hope for better every time I ride.
AI Millie and the die. I mean AI Millie doing this thing. Shout out to AI Millie. Let me know, gang, if you wanna hear the AI Millie album. You know what I'm saying?
So you better me go loud, listen me no bro,
listen up.
Nobody do it so bad. Not too young, remember we getting older.
Yeah, man, I do you them bad, man. I can't use them in the future. You see me can't do them so bad. I must say they're young, but I get older one day, you know. And you must know that, you know.
Nothing no better, listen me no man. No easy with my good and true. I tell me no fi scam, then tell me where we a go do. Tell me the plan, tell me who I go feed me.
Facts. Tell the man them me plan money. I tell the man no scam. I tell him what am I gonna do, man? You have plan where you have for the country, for the future, the youths them. You see me if you don't want them scam. That's a fact.
Man, I see no man and a chicken head now.
Better idea, tell the man them.
That are the truth, whoa. Listen, man, a bro, yeah. I tell myself, don't jam. Get still and argue with no jam.
I mean, shout out to Rajah, man. Rajah doing his dope, man. You feel me? Like comedy goes on, you know, and dopey thing, but when the dog say, yo, me got your attention, him come with a message. You have to rate that. Shout out to Rajah.
Listen, man, bro, God, nobody do it so bad. Don't you, my young member, we getting older. Listen, man, bro, God.
I mean, man, yeah, man, Rajah, I like this guy. You're surprising for the one, and you're going to surprise a lot of people for the one. A lot of people are going to vex, say, you know, but you have sense, you ain't on your shoulder.
Nothing no better out, yeah. Don't use it with my good. Tell me no scam. Where we are do? Tell me the plan. Oh, go feed me with sinner. And a chicken head and not a cool.
Plan, man, tell me where I go do. You see me, man, I seen a chicken head and a coop. You see me, I say, yeah, man, now I'm to you and Joe.
Never say.
Yeah, man, this bad. Shout out to RajahWild, man. That's mad dope. Yeah, man. Say harmonious message inspired by the outcry of many Jamaican youths today who had resorted to scamming as means of sustainable income during the COVID-19 pandemic. He expresses that there is still no solution for post-pandemic sustainability by your government for those affected accidentally by the event. They have accepted the resentment of our society and have labeled themselves proudly as sinners. So you hear that? A harmonious message inspired by the outcry of many Jamaican youths today who had resorted to scamming as means of sustainable income during the COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, man, a lot of people during the COVID-19 they resort to scamming as a way to make ends meet. You know what I'm saying? So and he also said he expresses that there is still no solution for a post-pandemic sustainability by your government for those affected accidentally by the event. You see me? So they still have no solution for the people that was affected by the COVID-19 shutdown and all these things. There is no plan for post-pandemic sustainability. So they have no plan after the pandemic how people can sustain and maintain themselves after the pandemic. You see me? So they have accepted, the youths have accepted the resentment of our society and have labeled themselves proudly as sinners. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, because I be saying youth are this scam of them are sinners and they're wicked and them thief and ray. So that's why I'm say, yo, we are sinners, you know that. You see me? I say we do our work because we will not accept on the label and go about it for we because for we are work. We are not on a plan. I say we don't have to do this, but we don't have a plan for what we do. Better. That's the man I say. You see me? I say. So, yeah, man. Hey, this is dope. Shout out to RajahWild, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to RajahWild. It's mad dope, man. You know what I'm saying? Real dope track. Let me know what you think about that one, gang. You know what I'm saying? Tell me if Rajah not surprised you. He surprised me with this one. You know what I'm saying? Normally that come with the dark type of horrorcore type dancer, but that come with a message. You know what I'm saying? So Andrew and the big guys, them and just that's a talk about the state of society in Jamaica right now. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, this one is real dope, really creative, very deep, very conscious. You know what I'm saying? So, all who want to say RajahWild, I just, you see me, mad youth, I don't know what mad youth who just sing, you know, gimmicks and things, no conscious thoughts or ideas or, you see me, nothing to say. Here we go, man proving wrong. You see me, that can actually keep on some serious subject matter and things. So, real dope track. Shout out to RajahWild. Really like that one. Gang, let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know. Drop in the comments section. If you like, you go show the artist some love and support. Let me know what you want me reacting next. Remember, join the Discord, all that good stuff. You don't know. Boy Jambisco, I was back with another banger. Until next time, gang. Take care of yourself. And each other. Love you guys. Come on.